is up? My name is Matthew, and in today's video we will be installing the door LED projector lights. So without further ado, let's get into it. So as you guys may know already, the lights come underneath the vehicle, so your vehicles must have the LED lights like those. So they're a direct replacement. So I'll be showing you through this video on how to get it started. So I'll set you guys down and then you guys will be able to see. So first of all, you guys want to use this trim tool over here. This is the best trim tool. I'll leave a link in the description. As well, I'll leave a link in the description of where you guys can get these door LED projector lights. So you want to go underneath first. And you want to try to get them off from the edge. So it's gonna come out like this. Then there's a little tab, you're just gonna unplug it and it'll slip right out. There you go, and that's how it comes. So on the next one, it has these two tabs here. These are the tabs you're gonna wanna connect into the pins where it has a pin here.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, so after waiting a little while, you know, once you open the door, there it is, that logo. So hopefully if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to please hit that like button, subscribe, and comment down below for more. I have a lot of more mods to do on my vehicle, so I'll be keeping up. But that's it.